The diagram we have chosen to work on this one piece of paper that's the center of the workshop is that of a flower. Now, why on earth did we pick that? Well, there's a little history attached to it. The history is that over the years, we let each person in the workshop design whatever diagram they wanted. And some wanted the diagram of a temple with 7 pillars. It always had to be 7, and I'll explain why in a moment. Some wanted a clown with 7 balloons. Some wanted a tree with 7 branches. But none of them was as popular as when we finally put up the diagram of a flower with 7 petals, including the center. Now, why 7? Because there are 7 parts to a job. Think about it. When you say job, what occurs to you? Well, the first thing is you've got to know certain things. So knowledge is one part of the 7 parts of a job. You have to say what kinds of people you'd love to be surrounded by that would help you do your most effective work and not be energy drainers. You have to say also what kinds of workplace you like to work in, what kind of place that makes you able to perform at your highest level. You have to talk also about skills as a part of any job. You have to talk about purpose. You're trying to achieve something, presumably, when you're working, not just keeping busy. We have to talk about geography, where it is you'd like to work in terms of parts of the country or parts of the world where you feel you would be happiest and able to be your most efficient and most effective. And finally, we need to talk about salary. So a job is all 7 of these things. It's people, it's workplace, it's skills, it's purpose, it's knowledges, it's geography, it's salary. Therefore, when you draw the flower, you're drawing a picture of your ideal job, your dream job. You're also, however, drawing a picture about you, because there are 7 parts of you that correspond to those 7 parts of a job. So that's what the flower is for. Look at it one way, it's a picture of a job, your dream job, after you've finished the workshop. Look at it another way, it's a picture of you, the essential parts of you that get engaged in offering to the world your gifts, your talents, your enthusiasms, and all that you have to give.